Upsimples 8x10 picture frame. The frame is made of sturdy plastic and comes with a high-definition cover to protect your photo. The frame can accommodate pictures of size 5x7 with matte or 8x10 without matte. The frame has a spring-type action to remove the backing, making it easy to mount on the wall. The frame is lightweight and easy to handle. The frame is versatile and can be hung horizontally or vertically. The frame is durable and will protect your photo from damage. The frame is affordable and offers good value for money. The mat has a strong chemical odor. The frames do not have a glass front, which may be a preference for some users. In summary, the Upsimples picture frame set is a well-made and versatile product that offers a reasonable price point. The frames use acrylic instead of glass, making them lightweight and easy to mount on the wall with just one thumbtack. The frames come with mats that add a layer of sophistication and create a polished look that enhances the visual appeal of the displayed photos. However, the mat has a strong chemical odor and the frames do not have a glass front, which may be a preference for some users.